Dati hindi sa office yung trabaho niya. So, parang waitress na nag na parang pagagalitan siya pati kasi bulilyaso, natatawag.
No, Vicky, wala sa restaurant.
So, para doon na rin natin
Mark.
yung date nila ko dahil ng boss niya. Diba, iniisip ko.
Sino kabatch? Kabatch ko sila, ano eh.
Si Harp. Ay, si Harp naman lahat kabatch. Ano?
Lower siya sa amin.
Si batch ko.
Lower siya sa amin.
Kailan ka nag-graduate na high school? 2004? O 4? Kailan na ngayon eh? 4? O kabatch mo dapat kilala mo.
Hindi, kabatch ko si Bando.
What's for you?
Oh, yata.
What's the batch?
Same year level.
Same year level, not necessarily
In
section.
school.
In school.
Okay, it's not like same year level, but she's
Minsan,
completely
ginagamit.
different in another school.
Yeah.
Yung
Pero,
parang it's like,
pwede
ay,
rin.
kabatch
Pero
ko siya,
ano
but
yun?
baka pa sinasabi yun. Like, kabatch ko si Gian, but
They
I'm
graduated,
from...
I mean,
Same year.
yeah.
Oo.
So, their ages
Usually, sila yung magkakakilala eh. Kahit magkaiba kayong school.
Oh? Eh, di
Kasi
ka nun
usually
dito, it's a
din
big
pag-
deal, kabatch. Kasi here,
Oh, dito malaki ano.
Alam
Ay,
mo,
anong
kabatch
batch?
siya.
Alam mo, oo. Anong batch?
Ano? February.
Yeah, no, I thought it's same
103
class.
ako
it's
nagpumasok sa college eh. 2003 ako pumasok.
Ah, mas matanda ka. Ano siya? 1 year lower sa'yo.
Naalala ko, inaasar yung mga ibang
Si Lucky, di ba ano?
higher
CSA tapos CSB.
What's that?
CSA sa Oo, CSB, dun siya na-college.
college is in
Binil.
Lasal Brothers School. Sinasabi nila Lasal tapat eh. Yung sinasabi ko yung sa amin, ano, HRIM. So, tapat. Tapat.
So, the heart, you're saying heart, right? Yung by heart.
Di ba si Ryan natin si
Evangelista? Heart,
Ruben?
heart evangelista.
Oo, CSA siya.
How old is she?
Your batch.
Oh?
February 84.
Asa 20, ano lang nga siya?
Mas na, short sa'yo. Ng month.
Asa 23 na pala yun.
I thought she's old.
Asa mas bata ako?
Pero, no, is she kabatch ko?
Oo, tama na.
Is she kabatch ko because when she graduated?
No, she's 84.
That's
Ang
also
Nakakilala ba kayo?
would be higher.
Nakakilala ba?
Pag sa school. Hindi. Pag sa
Ako,
school.
I graduated.
Kasi Febe, pasok pa siya dun sa kabilang batch.
When did she graduate? Ako
Kasi
2000.
ano eh, hindi na siya
College.
nakasabay sa
College,
post.
2003.
Anyway, let's not talk about her studies and her educational background. Because it's not of our...
Business?
Hindi, yun na yun. Hindi nakasabay. Hindi niya nakasabay yung batch.
Kunento sa akin yung sinarap ni Gian. Dati
Ako rin eh, hindi ko kasabay yung batch ko. Di ba? I stopped. Pero siya, older pa siya sa akin.
Yan siya next stop ng high school, you know that.
Tama na!
Tutuloy ko naman siya. Kunento sa akin ni Gian at yung Gian na parang natagalan ka.
Nag-enjoy lang sa school.
There's a lot of artists around that they didn't.
Stop.
Yeah,
Some, after high school, hindi na tinuloy.
sayang.
Yeah. But I like that school CSA. It's really, you feel like you're in a school talaga. Kasi it has like, you know, not only academics.
Yung mga new students namin na galing CSA, okay.
Kasi parang, siya eh, binabalak sila yung may playtime,
extra,
may
oo. Parang well-rounded.
Yeah. That's why, it's
Nag-excel yata din dun sa mga
like clubs, yeah. You can
like,
chess
yung
clubs,
when I was in second year, sa cheering sa team namin, isa lang yung she was in first year, isa lang yung freshman sa team namin. Sobrang galing niya. Kasi she was into, MVP siya ng volleyball, softball.
Wow.
Tapos nag-ballet siya, magaling sa mga gymnastics.
Magaling talaga.
I mean, Okay na.
I mean, she had,
Super muscle ang katawan.
yeah, but
Babae?
she's flexible,
Ay, lalaki ba siya?
has all this stuff.
Yeah!
You can say,
Flexible and strong.
so good,
Ang
ano.
galing.
Hindi talaga.
Pag in trump, puro siya.
So ikaw, kailan ka magtutuloy
Pag,
school?
pag alis, katapos.
Step or straight?
Supposedly ngayon eh, June.
But for example,
Oh,
if you go out like July, can you
Late
start?
na ako.
You can join,
Hindi mo.
What? Depends on the school. Some schools they allow.
but you can
Some
join.
schools,
Why not?
Sobrang late mo na may
It's a month. Kailan magsa-start? No, not even a month.
No, but there's some schools that
Kailan magsa-start yung
Strict,
school?
oo.
1st of July?
May ibang schools hindi talaga
1st of June?
nag-accept.
Kailan magsa-start?
June, second week, first week.
Tsaka kasi minsan may slot.
Yeah.
First or second week?
Depends on
Iba-iba talaga yung
No, but sa akin, it's more, why you should, it's a month. You can make self-study. Kahit to wait, I think, till Feb.
No, October lang.
Until October, and then you can join.
Oo, next year.
But you have to study the STEM that you make.
Oo.
That's the first. Ganun pala
Yung pagbalik mo, doon mo tukunin yung klase. Yes. Kaya may iba gumagraduate October, diba?
Oo. October. ICIU.
That's
Trisem.
Trimester.
That's a ganun pala dito. Which is nice kung ganun. And you can actually choose when, what to take, or how many.
Tayo nga hotdo.
Go.
Ayun.
Hindi ko na.
I'm gonna try, but you want peanut butter.
I want something sweet. Mamaya, okay.
With oats.
Oo.
Peanut butter and hope.
Hindi ako nagdi-dinner pag Saturday.
No.
Kasi ko pag nakaupo na
Kasi
naman
next
yun.
week.
Hindi,
Next day.
hindi na next day.
The
Ang
next day,
concern
the
ko
bar.
yung ang concern ko actually is more on pag nakaupo doon.
Wait.
Either hindi ako kakain or kakain ako after.
Yeah.
Pero hindi pa pumapasok sa utak ko yung meeting doon. Ipapasok sa ano.
Ano po yung kabadis week? Start ka na?
Oo, nag-iwan.
Kanina?
No, not kanina. Mga Tuesday or Wednesday.
Ano?
Tuesday yata.
Ano?
7.
Pound.
Pero ano yun yung mga lunch time.
I went this morning and I'm...
Yun ang ko, diba? Ano ka na?
I 2-3 pounds.
Hindi yun 2 days ago. Wednesday yata.
Ano ba yan? Saturday.
This week, 2-3 pounds. Just the whole week, I was thinking only... Not water. Something like... No one.
And plus, diba?
No, ito na 2 workouts or anything.
Oo, wala pa yun ba? Hindi saka, yung time na free mo, tinutulog din ko na lang.
Yeah, yun yung gusto ko.
Nung napaso nga ako.
Sa plaza?
Oo.
Mag-isip saan?
Crazy what you say. So that's a passage enough to somewhere. And after how many
Gusto ko
years
lagi
kita
sa
pa
kayo
rin?
mag-souvenir.
Yeah. Every game.
Hub.
Almost every game. Ang daming stars kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thanks again, G.
Thank you
Good
din.
job.
Sa inyong dalawa.
You wanna sleep? Tired ka pa?
Kananto kayo?
No. Siguro kumain na.
Doon sila.
Bakit?
I just want to remember mo.
Oh,
Use it.
Okay.